And today we are playing my 100 Days World. When I was recording, I accidentally hit stop recording. And yeah, we had a farm, we had this, and we had a house. We made a house, and it's day 4. It sucks. But it doesn't matter. We've made like a little, farm and stuff. And basically it. I'm so ashamed. I'll make another video. But, so just not cool. So yeah, just saying. I made the rest of the house, have some glass, and now we got like a bucket and a water source. It sucks. Yeah, I'm just getting rid of all of these disgusting flowers that's in the way. There we go. Everything will despawn. I don't really need all these flowers anyway. No one needs flowers. In my world, no one needs flowers. I'm going to place down a few areas. I'm so ashamed that I didn't get to. I was going to do something else. Ooh. Come on, not that. Okay, we also need to remove all these flowers because I need to build on these. I can't build on these. There we go. Okay. This is the good way of how get rid of water. Just do that. And then there we go. This is like demolition. A demolition part 1. So this is part 1 of demolition. The other demolition is demolition all my items. That's even harder, which I got a lot of items. And I demolitioned lots of items, so that means I have lots of flowers. Which are useful. We can make all sorts of different dyes. Which we can still continue our thing. Which with help and time we can. And anyway, it's good that I fast forward so you didn't have to see like 40 minutes of just me doing that. I was planning to do that, but it's fine. I don't need it anyway. Okay, we're almost done, and yeah, we're done. It's a lot of flowers that we've destroyed. And a lot of flowers still remain. We're not going to destroy all the flowers. That'll be a pain. But what we are going to do is throw all of them off a cliff. Nice. What? Okay, now we're on the cliff. So let's get back to well, yeah, that little mistake turned out to be a big mistake. We got a few plants and crops. Yeah, we got some plants and crops. Hopefully we can get the entire of my farm filled. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be making a new video exactly after I make this one. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.